The purpose of this video is to show the prototype developed for a project where we use both Wi-Fi sniffing and object detection to monitor the traffic of people on the street in two different locations in the city of Aveiro. We also use object detection to count vehicles and bicycles, and in the posterior phase of the project we aim to also use it to count muliceiros circulating in the area of Aveiro and use Wi-Fi sniffing to estimate how many people are inside of each muliceiro.
Here you can see the dashboard that will display the captured data in two different locations. We have 4 cards in each location to show 4 different types of values. In the Instituto de Telecomunicações location, you can estimate how many people, vehicles and two-wheeler vehicles are circulating near the IT2 department. To do this, we use 2 different methods. The first one is object detection, using the frames captured by the camera in the smart lamp post. The second one consists on using Wi-Fi sniffing to capture the MAC addresses of the devices in the area. We can then estimate how many people are there by seeing the number of MAC addresses and comparing these values to the ones obtained with the data from the video.
We use a Jetson Nano running an object detection model to obtain that data from the video camera. To obtain the number of devices, there is a wireless interface in monitor mode and an APU inside the IT smart lamp post. All of this data is sent through a MQTT connection to a central broker, and our backend subscribes to the topics to obtain the information. Lastly, we present it in the dashboard in real time. In the video captured from the camera, we can see a person walking in the area and the number of detected objects appear in the terminal on the right side. As we can see, it is now detecting one person and sending that information to the dashboard. From the moment a person leaves the campus, it stops being detected. In this particular case, we can see that besides detecting a person through the images, it is also detecting the bicycle. Since both Wi-Fi sniffing and object detection is being used, we can also check the different MAC addresses that are being detected in that particular area. In the right side, we can see those values in the APU terminal. They are blurred due to privacy issues.
In the second location, which is in Cais da Fonte Nova, the smart lamppost does not have a camera in the present moment of making this video, so the card corresponding to possible detected objects are not displaying values yet. However, the devices in the area are being detected by Wi-Fi sniffing and displayed in the dashboard. Once again, you can see the MAC addresses appearing in the APU terminal. Detected MAC addresses are deleted after 5 seconds of not emitting probe requests to guarantee more accurate values. The number of these addresses allow us to estimate the number of people in the area.
In here we can see the prototype of the web application that is currently hosted on the Aveiro Open Lab development server. When opening the web application, we have a map that lets us choose the location where we want to see the data from. Next to the map, we have cards that show in real time the detection data and the sniffing data from the chosen location. After the cards, we have charts that show the persisted data. The user history chart and the object detection chart are still in development and only show dummy values. They will show historical values in the future. The people detection chart is already implemented and shows the last 10 detection values in real time from the sniffing model as well as the detection model. We plan on also implementing the possibility of seeing historical data from a certain time period chosen by the user. The web application is multi-language, allowing users to change between Portuguese and English. Registered administrators can also log in onto the application and access different functionalities such as notifications and pages that are still under development. After the login, the administrator is prompted with a notification saying that they are logged on to the application. Notifications are also sent if the Jetson or the APU stop sending data to the broker. This allows the admin to see if something went wrong in obtaining the data. All notifications are saved on the bell icon and then the administrator can clear them by clicking on Clear All. The Muliceiros Service Information page is still under development and is unlocked only to administrators. This page is going to display the number of people inside Muliceiros for each company in real time, and will also have charts displaying historical data and statistical data. Overall, the objective of the application is to be minimalistic, intuitive, and responsive to all types of devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and PCs.